Hi friends, welcome. We'll try to learn how to use the clipboard to take the data in and out of from our Tkinter widgets. So we will able to copy it to the clipboard and paste the data from the clipboard to the our widget. So that way we can import and export data to other applications also. But before we learn, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified frequently as we add tutorials, and we are frequently adding that also. Let's try to learn this script. Use this tutorial. The URL is there in the description to study the code. So all the code parts are here, and there are two parts actually. You can understand every details are explained here, and you can entire code you can copy it here. So copy it to the clipboard and use it. Below that also you will get the part 2 of it, where we have used two text widgets, so and a common function to manage the selected text by the user. This also you can study this code, and here you can copy it to your clipboard. We are in our Visual Studio Code. So this is the code of the part 1. Let's start it. See the demo. Here it is. The clipboard is here. So two buttons, one for copy, one for paste. Now let me just try. Okay, I'm just writing some text. I can just copy it was the console. This will be as a proof that what is being copied is copied to the clipboard. You can write it. Now it is available in the clipboard. I can take it out and use it. Now for that purpose, let's just see this demo here. Here it is. I'm pasting it. You can see it. Welcome to plus2net.com is there. Now let's just come back to our application again. Now since it is copied to our clipboard, I can also use the same text or a different text to paste it. So what I am going to do is I will just paste this one. You can see pasted from clipboard, welcome to plus2net. That is what is being, because the earlier selection was cleared and the new one is given. So for that, let me just use it here and use the paste one. Okay, now you can see what earlier was there is just pasted it. So and this pasting also I can take out from other applications. Let me just take this function. This is the function what I have written. Copied this, came here, selected this, paste. So this whatever I have copied to the clipboard is now pasted here. In this code, there are two buttons are used. So two functions are called. So one is to copy to clipboard and the other one is paste from the clipboard. So that's all. Below you can see button 1 and the second button, paste button. That's all. There are two widgets only used. Now once you see the copy, you can see the first method we have used is clear the clipboard. So that will take out the what if any previously any data is there, it will be cleared. Now it will add it. So here you can see the text box to 1 or the text box what you have used, the entire data whatever is available or user has typed inside or whatever is there, it just copy, take it out. So here the strip is remove the blank space at the both ends if anything is there. Then update the clipboard. So what is this clipboard is available, you can get it here, the line which is just read the data from the text box and print it to our console. So that's the first part of it, which copied the data to the copy to clipboard. So the data is taken out from the application, and this is the key function is clipboard append. So this function does that. Now when you have a data in the clipboard, how I will paste it? The second button which hits the paste written. So there paste from clipboard. This is say from the clipboard whatever is I have copied from other application, from other sources, I can bring it here. So here it is, I am getting the content. This is the first line, get the clipboard content. So this get will take out the content from the clipboard. Then this is just a, if earlier whatever is written, this clears it up. Suppose you want to just paste it at the end, don't want the previous whatever is written in the text box already written that to be deleted, then here this line you can remove it. Now then it is insert the entire content starting from point 1. 1.0 means right first line, first character. Now here also the line it entirely deletes the from the first character till the end. So now it deleted. Now the just you want to print it in the console saying that whatever data has come up is printed here. That's all. These are the two functions used. One is for copy and one is for paste functionality. In the second part of it, you can see that I am using two text boxes to take the two different input and two different buttons. So what happens, I can select a particular text and use this button to copy that one. You can see here text, select text here. So whatever I am copying, and suppose I want and copy, this much only I selected. Now is there copy text is and copy. So and similarly, if I'll use the second one, then copy from text box 2, you can see the same thing happen. Now here the common thing is common function I am using and passing the particular widget which is in use. So here you can see the line number 9 here. You see this is the particular widget is used. Not that if I select here, it will not. I am not writing a separate function. So particularly that the main thing is here selection get. Here I am using this line, you just see text widget selection get. So based on the widget, because this text widget is received as a parameter here, so which button I am clicking, that particular one which is passing into here. So if button 1 means this widget 1 is there, so it knows that it has to copy the text widget 1. So this is a common function is used for both the our copying operations, copying mainly here the copying operation. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and if you have any ideas, suggestions, questions, use the comment section below to post it. My request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are tutorial, and we are frequently doing that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.